Why do we sneeze when looking at the sun? Have you ever looked at the bright sun and sneezed? This happens to some people, and it's called the photic sneeze reflex. Here's why it happens. When strong light, like sunlight, hits your eyes, the nerves in your brain that control your eyes and nose can get mixed up. Your brain mistakenly thinks your nose needs to clear itself, so it triggers a sneeze. This is perfectly normal and not dangerous. Scientists believe about 1 in 3 people experience it. So if you sneeze when you see bright light, it's just your body reacting to the sun.